Hello everyone, hope you all are fine, and we have already discussed on the extraction part, that is formation of sodium hydroxide in the Kasnar-Kellner cell, and through the solvate process formation of sodium carbonate. Why potassium carbonate cannot be prepared in solvate process? As we all know, potassium bicarbonate is soluble, so precipitate it does not form. So these are basic questions, and last day we discussed on the sodium thiosulfate, that is hypo formation also, and we ended up with the reaction of sodium thiosulfate and silver nitrate. That is a very important reaction, and this sodium thiosulfate was used a lot in the photography previously. Now we have digital photography, but previously we have that reels printing on the photography paper. You can ask your parents, they can tell you, or you can have the, I think you all have the albums where those photographs were printed out, not digital photographs. We used to have printing, so there sodium thiosulfate and silver, that photography plate used to have silver salts, and sodium thiosulfate we used to have for developing those negatives. As we have studios, so I have seen those use of sodium thiosulfate in our home. Lots of sodium thiosulfate white color crystal used to come in the big packets where to develop those, and that time I didn't know the reaction. So now we know that sodium thiosulfate that forms silver thiosulfate that generates. Now sodium thiosulfate also a very important reagent to identify or estimate the iodine, and for that, if we want for titration of iodine solution with sodium thiosulfate, Na2H2O3, also known as hypo, it reacts with I2 form to form sodium tetrathionate, that is Na2S4O6 and NaI, and which decolorizes the solution. And when the solution turns a straw yellow color, that time we add starch indicator, it turns blue black or dark violet, and then end point is detected by colorless solutions. I think you all have seen the titration procedure as your practical class is going on. Previously we have this iodometry, this used to know the iodometry redox reaction in the practical, but now last 3-4 years they have omitted this redox titration. We have only permanganometry, we don't have even dichrometry also. So in class 12 we will do that redox titration. Now rest all some parts that you have from your S block, that is plaster of Paris preparation and use, then quick lime preparation and use, and biological activity of magnesium, calcium, uses of sodium potassium and sodium potassium balance in the body. I think these parts, especially this biological parts, you all are having biology, you all are reading those, and biological activity means magnesium is there present in the chlorophyll, that thing you all know. And this plaster of Paris uses, and then calcium salt uses, that is quicklime uses, bleaching powder uses, these all you read in the lower classes, so I am not repeating those. From the next day, what I have decided that I'll pick up some question answers, I'll pick up certain question and I will discuss those questions in this class. We have already completed redox, we have completed hydrogen, we have completed S block element. We will be having half yearly examination very soon. So as we have completed these all parts, so best is we can pick up certain questions and we can discuss. Chemical bonding as we have completed, and this group chemistry is very much related to chemical bonding, so we can have discussion on those questions also. So I'll pick up certain very important question that is important for your all kinds of examinations, and that generally come, and those I will take and I will discuss their answers as well. Through that process, if any question that comes, that discussion is left over, I will talk about those also. So on the form of question and answers, I will be discussing that. I think you all have not started this block yet. You start doing that, or also you can do the question answers I will be discussing from the next day. Based on that also you can study, so it will be helpful for you, and things will become easier. So see you in live class, maybe this week or the next week, I don't know. That time also we will be having certain discussion. Whichever chapter is done, keep revising those by combining all the chapters. Today I am not making my video very long. It's becoming very boring for you every day to listen to the inorganic and without reading that, I know. So just this much I wanted to tell, and this week I just wanted to have this much only information. and next week I will start discussion, question answers. If possible, by that time revise the chapters which we have done. Try to revise. See you in the next class. Till then, take care and bye.